A molecule that I've seen a lot of people talk about online is known as glutathione, which is actually just a very simple 3 amino acid peptide, often abbreviated as GSH. And the 3 amino acids that it's composed of are glutamine, cysteine, and glycine, and the overall structure is depicted here in purple. And our bodies are able to put these amino acids together to build glutathione, and oftentimes it's referred to as the master antioxidant within the body. And I'm going to talk about why that is with 2 main examples. The first is being a scavenger for free radicals or reactive oxygen species. And that's when we're actually going to zoom in on the cysteine amino acid within glutathione, and even more specifically on this sulfur group. And that's because that sulfur group on cysteine can act in 2 different forms. The first being the reduced form, where it's attached to hydrogen, and the next being the radical form, where it's given that hydrogen away. So if glutathione comes in contact with a free radical within the cell, it can actually donate that hydrogen attached to the sulfur to that free radical, therefore reducing that free radical and now having the sulfur group in a radical form, which it can then go on and pick up another hydrogen throughout the cell and repeat that process over and over. Additionally, glutathione can aid other enzymes as a cofactor. So we don't always want our enzymes to be active all the time. Sometimes they need an extra component, like a cofactor, to actually turn them on. And glutathione can work for GPX4 to turn it on. And that enzyme helps to eliminate lipid peroxides within the cell. And those lipid peroxides can go around and cause a lot of damage, just like free radicals. So let me know in the comments what you've learned about glutathione or what you've heard about it in the past, and drop a comment on any other molecule that you want to learn more about while staying connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin. Thank you for watching my latest video. And if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here. And you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.